Greetings and blessings, my beautiful family. Today I'm taking you on a quick trip on which I make my green chili sauce in a huge batch because I will be sending some to my brother and his family abroad. And so I went to the store and picked up everything chili, everything pepper, everything green, and some yellow habanero chilies because I could not find them in the green version. I have also picked up some kale, and you will find it really interesting on how I treat it and use it. So keep on watching, friends. So I have cleaned everything with some vinegar and some water. Cleaned it twice, and now I'm cleaning the kale the third time, and also stripping the actual kale food from the core or the stem. Now that's done, I'm just going to run it in my salad spinner because I will be baking these and making kale chips out of it. Now, the whole purpose of me even actually sharing this recipe with you is so that we can all learn together how to make your green chili sauce greener. And that's where the kale comes in. So I have drizzled on some oil onto it, as well as some salt I have sprinkled on, and some crushed black pepper. And I'm going to throw these into the oven. Basically what I'm doing is turning them into chips, so they're going to get dehydrated. Now you have to keep an eye on those because they can quickly burn. They are in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. That's it. But I kept going in almost every minute, so I timed it so I don't forget. All right, now I have prepped some onions as well as some ginger into a smooth puree, and you notice I didn't add any water into the blender because my goal is to cook this and fry it till it's dry, because it's going to be traveling, and it's also the rest of it, which I will keep at home for our personal use, will be sitting on the countertop. So it needs to be dry like shito so it doesn't go bad and spoil. Okay, in the meantime, I have poured the ginger and the onions into the wok, which is cooking outside. What it's doing is kind of getting rid of the excess water in it. Okay, all right, so in the meantime, I have blended all my green onions or spring onions with some of the peppers. I am intending to blend everything and just pouring them into this bowl because I'm going to add it to what I have in the wok outside to dry this mixture up. So now this is the last batch that's being blended. And checking on the ginger and onion blend outside, it's been about 10 minutes and it's drying up as well. So that is just perfect. My goal is to fry this so dry it can travel for a whole week and not spoil, and it can sit on the counter for months without spoiling. So now that everything, green chili and pepper as well as the spring onions, are blended smoothly, I add it to the wok. Stir it to combine everything well. Continue to cook on low to medium heat until the mixture is dry, which will help to reduce splatter and cut the cooking time significantly down. And for that inviting aroma, I have added my green herb and spice blend, 3 cubes of that. So if you don't have that available, if you haven't made yours, let me suggest that you can use your favorite fragrant herb of preference. I will typically use Thai basil or regular basil. You can also use parsley. Now this mixture is drying up beautifully, so that makes me super happy because again, it's going to cut down on the cooking time and reduce splatter. Now another thing that's happening too, if you're paying close attention, is that the bright inviting green color is also diminishing, but we're going to revive it, so keep on watching. You're going to love this. Now see how dry it has become? We don't have any lingering juices, so it's perfect time to add your oil. So you see, friends, we're going from dehydrating and reducing this mixture to frying it, which is going to elevate the flavors. Now it's time also to season. So I've added my salt to taste, some granulated garlic, followed by my all-purpose seasoning similar to your bouillon. So please use chicken bouillon. You can also use shrimp bouillon. It will taste so good in here. See how this color is becoming so dull now? Yeah, don't worry. Keep on watching, friends. Now here is the kale. This is how we're going to revive the greenness of it. You hear that? It is perfectly dehydrated, so now we have perfect kale chips. These are yummy on their own, but we're not going to eat them today. We are going to use it to revive the green color of our green chili sauce. It's green chili sauce, green chili oils. It has to be green. And this is also a good way to fortify the nutrition in this sauce. Yes, you can have your green chili sauce that's packed with iron, vitamin K, just great nutrients. I blended it with some oil and see how green it is. Now we're going to see how, just compare that color to what we have in the wok right now. Night and day. As I pour in my kale mixture, just look at it. You know it's just going to magically turn this sauce back to green. Exciting, right? All right, so this is why I wanted to share this recipe with you. I just wanted to kind of share this other finding I have made, that you can use kale chips to revive the green color in your green chili sauce. Now, to bring more flavor, because I love the coconut, the cold pressed coconut oil flavor in my green chili sauce, I add a bit of that in the end. You don't want to start cooking with that because it can disappear on you. So, add it in the end. Stir it in and just look at how green, how inviting, how gorgeous, how stunning is this green chili oil / green chili sauce. My brother and his family are going to be super happy. I am now going to bottle it and get it ready for shipping. So this sauce is great as a marinade, it's great as a dipping sauce, it's great for your fried rice, it's great to just bring flavor, boost your flavors in your savory dishes. So hey, it's good to have this in your fridge, on your countertop, in your pantry. It's just one of those things you must have, and it's so easy to make. It's super delicious. However, you and I both know it won't last that long because it is that good. You're going to want to have a bit of this on everything you eat every single day. Now, friends, I hope that you learned a thing or two and are inspired by this very special recipe. It is chop time, although it's not quite in the literal sense of chop time. But if you have some fried goodies somewhere, like, fried yam or plantain or cassava or something like that, even rice, you dip a little bit of this into it, and hey, you are going to have a literal chop time experience. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.